Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the simplest way to set up your Xfinity Wi-Fi on your phone. Let's get started, but make sure your Xfinity modem or router is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to modem if it isn't already connected. Wait a few minutes for the light to stabilize. Usually the powers and online lights should be solid. Next, open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in your home page, tap on Internet or Wi-Fi at the bottom, then set up Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Wi-Fi network's name and password. Make sure to choose a password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Now go to the iPhone settings, Wi-Fi, and find your new Xfinity Wi-Fi network's name and tap it. Enter the password you just created and your iPhone will connect it to the internet. And that's it. We have successfully set up your Xfinity Wi-Fi on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.